free, I think. Yes, you can. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. I'm on the road pulling my boat to the river. It's pretty nice actually. The scooter has enough power, but the battery will run out quick because it's a small battery. I can just push the button like this and walk with it. So it's like walking with the boat. And almost to the riverside. We need brakes. Oh, hold on. I have brakes. I have brakes. I have brakes. See? Yes. I have brakes on this. I didn't know that. It's okay. This camera is shooting. Come here, guys. We are almost there. And basically this is working very well. This scooter is working very well. I still have 3 bits. Should be enough to go back. So this scooter can do 1 trip. And having to have this, I can probably put the boat on my motorcycle. And that would be even better because motorcycle have more power. You know, it's a 300cc engine. There will be no issue. Just need to watch out that don't hit other cars around. So hope this thing will work. And I'm not sure how long the 3D printed parts will hold. Will they break? Will they hold? I have no idea. Will I lose motor? I have no idea. It's just everything we gotta test today. Also, if my strength-based steering, will it work or not? That's all we have to find out today. I wanted to, install the ESC here. But I didn't bring the double-sided tape. I wanted the ESC to be in the water so it will keep cool. I'm thinking if I leave it here and just hold it here, I think it will stay in water and will not go in the motor. So for now, I just have to do this way. Let's give it a try. Left, right, awesome. Okay, all right, moment is here. Let's put it in the water.
Careful, don't upside down. Balance it. Oh. Are you need to shoot or not?
Nah, it's only you shoot.
Okay. Motor is in the water. ESC is also in the water.
So far so good.
还比较稳呢，这个颜色还是好看啊。
Now, I'm actually trying to drive the boat. And so far it seems working except my steering. Steering is kind of slouchy because of this, wool we used. But apart from that, everything is actually working very well. I really need a rudder or bigger stuff like bigger splash rails. Need bigger splash rail or a rudder. So basically I found I can speed up and control the rudder from backside like this. It's much better. So far, my 3D printed parts are all holding up. Speeding up. That's a nice speed, I would say. Not bad. And I'm using only 8S. I didn't even use 6S. 12S, I haven't used the 12S yet. So I think it's time to go and grab the kids. Get the kids, I think. Because they also want to, ride. All right, I'm back. Who wants to ride? Oh, yeah. Enjoying it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Our steering system is still working. No, it's still working, it's still working. But I found it's easy to control with this one. You want to go faster? Or will not go down. Just still okay. Nice?
Green water.
Alhamdulillah. This is my hard work. How many weeks I worked on this one, and now we're enjoying our boat, Irish, right?
Yeah.
Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
We can go faster also, but I don't want to push it too much today.
Yes.
In the motor? Cannot. It's in the water. Yeah, in the water is fine. This water is coming from where? Are we drowning? No, this water is on the oar, so don't worry about it.
Dad, should do this.
Yes, you can. I'm surprised the 3D printed parts are actually holding. Okay, let's use yours to go forward. Ready? Go forward, Irish. Go! So now I'm giving Irish's classmates a ride. And we are having fun. So I have tightened the clamp as much as I could, and there's no more for clamp to tighten. And I want to test the 12S power, but I'm not sure if clamp will hold or not, or if it will move away or not. Worth a try. Next thing I want is getting stranded in the middle of the river with the motor stuck forward. Everything good. ESC is inside. Nothing is touching. So far so good. So we can continue our journey. So far motor is holding. So far motor is holding. Not bad. And it's nice. I'm feeling good actually. In my own boat, alhamdulillah. MashaAllah, it's working really nice. Gotta fix the steering system. Going against the river needs more power, huh? My steering system is still working somehow a little bit, but not too much. I want to see the punch on the motor. Mashallah, motor is really powerful, and you can see how the boat actually picks up when I punch it. So straight, and look at it. The front picks up, huh? Front end suddenly picks up. So motor has a lot of power, mashallah. I need a very good string for my motors, steering system. Motor has a nice punch, mashallah. Look at that. Mashallah, very nice punch, man. It's going to pull wheelie, I think. It's going to pull wheelie, man. Now I'm having fun, man. It's going to pull wheelies. I need a rudder. Where's the trailer?
There.
Where's the trailer? All right, so I will call it a day. It was, man, alhamdulillah, a lot of fun on this boat. 12S is a lot of power, but I'm afraid the motor will slip forward. So I have to redo the motor mount, maybe redesign it in 3D print. Again, something very, very strong, and that will prevent motor from slipping forward, and then use double clamps on it. because 12S is a lot of power. You can see the boat is almost pulling the wheelies, you know. So I'll call it a day. I still have a lot of batteries, but Irish have a class, we have to go home, and I have to fix the motor mount, okay? Thank you very much for watching this whole video series. I hope you enjoyed it. I am very, very happy that my boat actually worked very well. My weeks of hard work has finally given me a sweet fruit. Thank you very much once again. Let's go home, and I'll keep you updated on the next modifications on this boat. It's going to pull a wheelie, I think. It's going to... What the heck? Up.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.